Hello? Are you even aware of what happened? It happened. The most unpredictable scenario, it's already here, among us.
Hello everyone! I barely had time to fully explore how VEO 3 works, and now this already an update, VEO 3.1.
Everyone, stay where you are!
Mr. Hallotson, please come with me.
Today we'll take a look what's new in this version of one of the most advanced AI video generators, a tool capable of creating truly cinematic scenes.
Mr. Hallotson, tutorials, huh? Start talking.
What do you know about VEO 3.1?
So let's get started.
You will talk to me.
With VEO 3.1 we finally got what everyone's been waiting for: complete control over the scene. VEO 3.1 now understands prompts more precisely, interprets lighting, camera movement and mood like a real film director. And so, in the image to video mode, when you load one frame and VEO converts into a video. Another cool feature is called ingredients to video. You can add 3 different images and the model, using your prompt, will combine them into a coherent story. Also, the audio in VEO 3.1 has become more deeper and accurately synchronized with the video, including dialogue, background noises and music.
Why'd you have to leave me with this empty space inside?
And another cool thing, this is editing after the video is ready. You click the pencil icon, edit, select an object in the frame, and you can change something only in this area. You move, remove, and the rest of the scene remains. The light, shadows, atmosphere are preserved. You can work with the VEO 3.1 not only through Google Flow, but also on other platforms. For example, Higgsfield is a whole ecosystem of artificial intelligence models, which gives access to the most popular services such as VEO, Clean, Sora, and others in one place. Just select a model from the drop-down list and work with it. This is the same VEO, but in a more convenient interface. By the way, if you choose the Ultimate plan from Higgsfield, as part of the promotional offer, you can get a discount on using the VEO 3.1 model on the platform for only $29.40 per month with an annual subscription. This gives you 1200 credits per month. This is ideal if you often create videos or test different setups.
VEO 3.1 changed my life, Nege. It's beautiful.
In general, the same model is available in other environments. For example, Halo AI, Vivi.ai. But today I will show you how to use VEO directly through Google Flow. Quickly, conveniently and without any workarounds. So we open the interface. On the settings we can select VEO 3.1 fast, aspect ratio 16:9 or vertical video 9:16. You can also choose the number of generated versions from 1 to 4. I choose text to video, VEO 3.1, 1 output and resolution 16:9. I enter the prompt Cyberpunk bar, inspired the style of Cyberpunk 2077. A man sits at the bar, slowly turns his head towards the camera and calmly but tensely says, I press the arrow and wait literally a minute, and that's it.
Hello? Are you even aware of what happened? It happened. The most unpredictable scenario, it's already here, among us.
We can also choose a frames to video. That is, you can add any image. You can add one and use the prompt to create an 8 seconds video. Or you can use 2 images. That is how it will look at the beginning and how it should look at the end. And the VEO will generate it itself the transformation. And the prompt can explain and more detail what the transformation should be. Well, and also ingredients to video, I choose my photo, also the image of the RoboGirl I created, and also the location, and enter the prompt. And VEO gives a fantastic scene in a cyberpunk bar with a RoboGirl in the future in a minute.
Hello, Mr. Halitsan. I've been watching your channel for a long time, and I want you to tell me about VEO 3.
If someone had told me about this a couple years ago, I wouldn't have believed him. And I also want to say about this pencil icon. After generating the video, editing is available to us. You can select a specific object or character in the video, change their clothes or rearrange the character. The rest of the scene, camera, light, atmosphere remains unchanged. VEO 3.1 generates a base in 720p, but after that you can AI upscale to 1080p without loss of quality and preserving scene detail. And a little life hack. For generating videos, you don't need to describe the scene. You need to write what needs to be done in the scene. This will give you the best result. And the artificial intelligence sees everything and describes everything itself. The character, the background, the environment. You just need to make it clear what action should take place. So friends, here's a quick summary. VEO 3.1 is truly impressive with its capabilities. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss new reviews. See you next time.